This is such a light seat. It's full carbon. You can easily hold it up with one hand. Oh. Hello, my friend. What? No! Yo, dude, no! That's for the mic. Go on, please. This is for the mic. Okay? You're supposed to sit down. Oh my gosh! Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you're showing your bumhole to the world. Turn around. Yeah. I'll turn you guys around. I don't know if this is considered cheating, but the vlog that you guys are about to watch is going to be an old vlog that was filmed in fall, and you can tell by the leaves on the ground. Honestly, this Vlogmas thing and trying to do the daily uploads, it's actually pretty tough, man. And like, you have to record the video, edit it, and then have it released for the next day. This is where I think I need a really fast computer, and also I haven't found time for sleep. Okay, I'm trying to get away with like 5 to 6 hours, and then maybe a few like power naps in between the day, but yeah, it's tough. So yeah, the video you guys are about to watch is just like wheel swapping. This guy that I met who also owns a Supra helped me unlock some of the features on my own Supra. So yeah, other than that, enjoy this video.
Watch out!
Yes? What do you want?
No! Wahoo! Woo!
Hey, that's not food. That's not food. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today is another Beamer day. I got a couple of special things that we're gonna try and install on the E36 today, including fat ass wheels that are supposed to fit the wheel well a little better in the back, and also a really rare one-off racing seat. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Kept it safe and hidden upstairs. Check this out. This is the racing seat that's gonna be going into E36. What makes this a special one-off is this is actually Ken Gushi's old Pro Drift race seat, KG, and his racing number. I actually bought this off Derpy FRS, and I have no idea how he got his hands on it, but now we're here. So, what the heck? No way. A Tylenol. Either Simon's or Ken Gushi's. Both of those guys would need this for sure. Anyways, this is a perfect match for the E36 because we already are running a Takata seat inside. Except that one is like the fully adjustable one, it can recline, whereas this one's a fixed bucket seat, but that's cool. Both Ken Gushi and Simon's ass has touched the seat, and now it's gonna be touched by mine. They're two people I look up to, okay? Placebo effect. I feel like this is a king seat in its own right. This is such a light seat. It's full carbon. You can easily hold it up with one hand. Oh, okay. Let's stop fooling around. And then, yeah, those fat ass wheels I was talking about. Check them out. These wheels, my friend Frederico just dropped off, and they are 19 by 10.5. So we are gonna see if this fits the rear wheel well a little bit better than the ones I'm running right now. And also, I kind of like the style, but they are gonna be drift spares, because as you can see, they're already like slicks down to the wire, so yeah, danger. I'm also waiting on somebody to come by, another 2020 Toyota Supra owner, and I'm actually planning on selling my TEs. because I'm bored of them already, man. I was never a TE kind of person. He's gonna come by, we're gonna test fit him on his car, and hopefully he buys them because I have no use for them, especially when I'm gonna be parking the Supra for like a good 6 months. Who knows how long our winters last, man. Sometimes it goes up till March. If we're lucky, maybe early February, but yeah, that's just gonna be sitting inside a garage for a good couple months, so no point. Oh sweet, here it is too. Dang. It's white. Perfect timing. All right, Mike. I'm gonna see if he can actually park right here. Big. I think this is the first white Pearl I've seen in Calgary, so.
Cool, but kind of.
Yeah, like if they were actual brakeless, that would have been cool, but they're just reflectors, so. He got the grill like inserts that replace that, so it's actually pretty cool. I know, right?
Yeah.
Like the fronts. No, this is clean, dude. Yeah, got all of the reflector replacements. It's actually pretty expensive parts, man. Thanks for bringing this by.
Yeah.
It's just awesome to see another one. No, that carbon fiber accent's pretty cool, man.
And I also did this one with the launch edition.
This is like expensive too, man.
The intake as well.
Right. Is it engine?
MSD.
MSD. Ooh. Let's check this out. Oh, what? It's a full cover. That's cool.
Yeah, I like it a lot because you can hear so much more turbo spool.
And the whine, right?
Yeah, and then it blow off too.
Yeah. Yo, I'll let you see what I'm up to. Ended up going with engine.
Dude, parts for this is so hard to get right now. Anywhere you go, they're selling it. I'm like, do you actually have this in stock? And like, no, you get it in a couple. Yeah.
Maybe it's because the new 2021s just came out and like, they're a little more.
Yeah.
Huh,
Well, it depends
interesting.
what you're after.
Right.
Yeah. Like my intake, I basically like asked every shop that sells parts.
Distributor,
like,
yeah.
And I'm just like, do you guys have to do it? And they're like, no. And then one place finally said, see? It's like tin tin.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of the other beep.
Yeah, and then other stuff I've coded off is auto start stop, so it
Yeah.
stays off no matter what, unless you turn it back on.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I see,
And then I've also programmed so it always starts in sport mode. Yeah.
Oh, instead of you having to turn it on every time.
Yeah, so it starts in sport mode by default.
Yeah.
Another thing that's really annoying is, you know, when you put it in reverse, your mirror is like almost unusable.
Because it goes down?
All the way.
Yeah, you can turn that off too.
No, I turned it so it only does it like 40%, so it's actually functional.
Oh, and you can still see.
You can actually see where the wheel is.
Yeah, that is something that was kind of annoying me, man.
And then, what else did I code?
Do you used to own a Beamer or something?
No, I just literally did my research, but
oh, cool.
If you want me to code yours,
yeah,
like, literally, I have it in my car.
Sure, man. Yeah. That would be awesome. Like basically everything you said is like something that's.
It's like the small stuff, but like this is like when before I did mine, I did so much research, and the first thing I did was like.
What is this exactly? Like a USB dongle or something?
No, just like this.
Oh, what the?
And then literally just pairs to my phone, and then I paid for the app, but it's fine. Like it still work on your car. And literally I just code it, and then it's like done.
What? Yo, sure, man. Show me how this is done.
Yeah.
This is so new to me.
So literally, like you just plug it in.
Yeah.
I think it's like right here. So it's plugged in now. And then if you get in first.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then just push. Don't step on the brakes. Just push it once.
Yep. Turn it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that beep, right? You can change that.
Here,
Okay.
On the Beamer Code app, I just hit connect. Yeah, and it says here it does Supra, but we use the C4. Now this takes a while. It just needs to identify it. So I did my research. Like first thing before I even I knew it was taking delivery. I already ordered this immediately because it's Amazon. Like if I go because I went to Edmonton to pick up the car.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
oh really?
Yeah.
That's from Edmonton.
Yeah, and I'm like, if I don't buy it, it's Amazon. I can return it so easily.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah. I ordered it and then I had it like as soon as I got home from Edmonton, I'm like ready to go.
Dude.
Basically, so that it has an ambient light sensor, and it's like it's in in here.
Automatic.
It's in here, and you can't change the brightness on. It's always automatic ambient.
Yeah.
So it like really fucks it up. So literally, this codes it so it changes it back so you can actually adjust the brightness from low to high manually.
I see.
Yeah.
That's cool. So.
Yeah, it's just reading the code data. So once it's done. Yeah, I so recommend doing this, but this is expensive though. It was like $150.
What?
Yeah.
Just for. bad, but if I close this, I probably would have heard it. We'll probably end up doing both wheels just to check, but yeah, bronze on white. Interesting. Let's get this off.
Oh, I also got those decals.
Oh, I was gonna say, man, mine didn't come with those. That's cool.
It's like $10.
The stock wheel. How to look, how to look. Dang. Dang. Well, I think bronze is a classic combo for anything. But dang, yeah.
But ironic enough, I look like a 4x4 now. I don't know why. It didn't look as bad as the stock one.
It's definitely the square fitment. This one's a little bit stretched, right? So you definitely need some lower, thicker tires. The test fitting on the white Supra, and he's just about to head out, but this guy helped me out on coating some of the stuff in the Supra. The Supras. Peace. Let's see what these wheels look like. And also, the thing is, I really like these gold wheels, and they're the wheels that I really wanted to run on this setup. It needs to be pushed out like another 2 inches, man. Damn. Eh, okay, whatever. Let's see what this looks like. What up?
How's it going?
Got a new car?
Yo, it's so sick. You guys aren't ready for this, man. Look at this shit. Dun, 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 dun.
Look at that! Dang! You see me rolling.
Dayton!
Fully wrapped. What are you talking about? What the hell, dude?
Too much tension on that corner, man.
Like he didn't know how to do his corners. Shit, dude. Oh, even the spoiler's wrapped.
What a ridiculous little thing. But it was hella cheap, yo. I got such a sick deal on this. Kilometers are 124.
Yeah, it's not bad.
1,000, yeah.
Hell yeah, Corolla. Alright. Yeah, I know this is kind of stupid, but we're running 3 spacers on this side just to see if that brings out our wheel to my standard. I mean, it's really just for the looks, but this is not safe, guys. Okay, okay. We made it way more flush with the body. That's what it looks like. Not bad. Definitely gonna have to get a wheel alignment. And about the seat, we're gonna have to install this some other day because I don't actually have the brackets that go on the side, and this has no holes on the bottom. Takata seat that we have in the car right now is basically just on sliders, and then the sliders are installed on the bracket. So yeah, this is gonna have to wait. There's actually a couple more things I want to do in the interior anyway, like make custom acrylic door panels. I'm gonna end up ordering a half harness bar so we can actually put harnesses in this. And yeah, just clean up the interior. Someone last year tried to steal this while it was parked back here, and luckily there was no power in it, but they like destroyed the glove box compartment, and this has been through a lot already.
Oh shit, the micro wasn't on.
No way.
No, fucking
Oh fuck. Who that?
I miss you, baby girl.
Who that?
I like your second suit.
Dude, what's with these earrings? Dude?
What? You've never seen it before? Yeah,
the double
seconds
hoops.
look sick, yo. Huh? The seconds look sick.
He's Yakuza.
Yeah, weird, yo.
With a suit and everything, and the luxury car.
Now we use an 8-hour, like... Oh,
Wait,
yo, you
wait,
did you get
wait,
sideswipe?
wait, just kidding. I don't.
Did you get
Full
sideswipe?
sleeve.
Huh?
Did you get sideswipe?
Wow!
Yep.
Oh my god.
Did you see it?
Yikes.
Yo, that's the first time I've seen you and I'm like...
No, like no.
That can be buffed.
If you're watching Brady's video right now, you don't have much time to live. Watching.
Sounds good to me, bro.
What the fuck?
Hey, Bart.
Honestly, that ain't half bad. I kind of wish all the wheels were matching and that this was a little more centered. That can be fixed. I mean, the kit is on. Everything else looks decent. Yeah. She just needs to be slid sideways.
I
But the next thing we're gonna be doing for the E36 is just cleaning her up. I do have a livery idea for this and like a wrap color and everything. And I think that's gonna happen in the next couple of days here. I just gotta do a little bit more Bondo work and probably address some of the dents. They're kind of just all over the place. And of course, fill in some of the holes that we created. Other than that, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video. So yes, stay tuned for more E36 content, more super dude, we just have the rest of winter basically to fill time, and the more car projects we have during the winter, the faster spring comes. Okay, Gohan, we done, bro. Yeah, I'm selling my TEs, so if anybody out there is looking for wheels for their Supra, or if you want, you can buy the wheel spacers or the wheel adapters. The main reason why I'm getting rid of them is because I actually have my sponsor wheels, which are the gold AGs, and I mean, it's not snowing outside, so dude, I'm contemplating on throwing them on like in the next day or so. Just gotta find rubbers. Oh man, this guy's just so chill. We just went for a walk, that's why. Thanks, Gohan. Little doggy. Alright, homies. Appreciate you guys for watching this Vlogmas. And yeah, I don't know. There are actually a whole bunch of lost vlogs that I've been putting on the back burner and I haven't edited. Like, I think we've done 2 shows with Eliminate in Canada that I haven't even edited yet. So we'll count them as Vlogmas days, but also like still have them be super wholesome, you know? I don't want it to just be fillers where just because it's Vlogmas, I feel obligated to put out anything. These videos, it's all about story, and I think almost everything that I film has some sort of story behind it. That's why when a lot of people tell me to find an editor or outsource my stuff, I'm like, I think I can do that, because they can't empathize with my story and like why I film the scenes that I film, right? And Kissy Neistat actually brings up a good point. The story comes from the editing, not so much the filming, because like you could actually point and shoot your camera at anything and then build a story behind it. But yeah, for the rest of December, it's just gonna be me trying to crush these daily vlogs. But yeah, it's taught me a lot. If you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button tick, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace. This kid recently got a haircut and now he looks like a teddy bear. Whoa, this funny doggy. Oh man, look at this kid. What the heck? Look at this doggy. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa.